Right, chickens, it's now time for maths. We will do some number blocks in a sec, but just before we do that, can we just remember and look at the number 11? That's right. Here is number 11. 10 and one more. Say morning, number 11. So your first challenge is using the number cards that you should have cut up from the other day, maybe Tuesday. You only need numbers 1 to 11. How quickly can you put them in order? Can you beat me? Go. Right, here are my numbers. I'm definitely going to beat you. Here I go. 1 and another one is 2 and another one is 3. That's 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, my little friend. 7, 8, 9, 10. You gonna beat me? 11. Gosh, I'll go right back to get all these in. There they are. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right, stand up, quick. I'm going to use this number. Do you remember from Numberblocks the other day that we counted 10 and then one more, okay, to be 11. So, we're going to do 11 jumps, do 10, and then one more to make 11. Ready, stand up. 10 jumps together, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and one more, 11. Right, this time, let's do 11 claps, okay? 10 and then one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and one more makes 11. Right, hops, get up. 10 hops, then one more. Ready? Hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more. 11. Right, you shout the numbers back to me as loud as you can. Go! 11. Okay, I am gonna take one of these numbers, hide it, and you have to work out what it is. So, close your eyes. Open your eyes. Which one's gone? Quick, work it out. Can you find it? Shout it out at me. Okay, I've got number 1 here. He's come to help us. He's going to help us find out what number's missing, because the number that is one more than the number 6, which is missing, is the number 7. Okay, close your eyes. Which number's missing now? Quick, find it. Shout it at me. Which one is it? Which one is it? Number 1's going to help us again. Number 1 is on 3, and you have to say 1 more than 3 is the number which is missing, and 1 more than 3 is the number 4. Can you see that the 1 more is actually just the next number? Right, close your eyes. Which one's missing now? Which one? Which one? Can you find it? Right, number 1 is going to land on the number that is 1 less than the missing number. Right. What number is this one? 8. 1 more than the number 8. Let's jump to it. Would be the number 9. Okay, last one. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Which one is missing now? Oh, it's a bit tricky. Let's see, all of them. Have you found it? Shout it at me. Right, number 1 is on the number that's 1 less than the missing number. This number is... That's right, 10. 1 more than 10 is the missing number, which is, shout at me, 11. Let's just go through them. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Should we go backwards? Ready? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off around your living room. Go. Psh. Faster. Okay. Right, okay. Shall we try and make number 11 quickly? You can use your Numicon if you want. That's in your thing that you cut out the other day in your folder. So I'm just going to get mine ready. Which 2 pieces of Numicon do you think I'm going to use to make the number 11? There's the numeral, there's the digit. There it is as a number block. So as a number block, it's got 110 and 1. 110, there's the 110, and 1. Look, there's 11. And if I put it over the top, you might have done that too. 10 and 1 makes 11. 11 is made of 110 and 1. Right, very quickly, here's a challenge. Do you think you can find any other pieces of Numicon that will equal 11 as well? Okay, pause the video, see what you can find. Go. Alright, I don't know what you've made. Check with your adult, see if you're right, and they can check for you. But I was just going to think about it today. I'm going to use my knowledge of how to make 10 to help me make 11. And I know that 10 is made of double 5, 2 5s. So I could say 5 and 5, which makes 10, and 1 more makes 11. So 11 is also made up of 2 5s and a 1. Well, let's have a look. What else could I do? I'm going to try and use 2 pieces this time. I'm going to start with the 6. What do you think goes with it? To make the same shape, it's number 5. 6 and 5 make 11. And I know that 2 5s and a 1 make 11. So actually, I've got a 5 there, and I know that 6 has a 5 in it and 1. So it's quite similar. So if you're using all your knowledge, you might be able to make 11 in lots of different ways. Alright, maybe you could explore that further with your family. Okay, so it is time for Numberblocks. Tomorrow we will watch number 12. But today, this video is all about number 9. It's called Hiccup. Go to the link below, pause this one, and go and watch Hiccup. It's only on iPlayer for a week. Go. But there'll also be a link for it being on YouTube. I don't know how long it'll be on YouTube for. Okay. Uh-oh, I think I've caught them. Okay, so poor number 9. Did you see what kept happening to him? And then all the number blocks got hiccups. So let's try and do what the number blocks were doing and changing the numbers by using all the different numbers that are lower than it. So I'm going to use the Numicon to help us. So I'm going to find the number 9. You could do it with your Numicon if you want. Do you remember what colour number 9 is? Have a think. It is the purple one. Okay, so let's have a look. How many ways could we make number 9 using the Numicon? Right, you have a think first. If you want to pause it. I'm going to find something. I'm going to be cheeky and just do a really easy one. I'm going to use the number 1 less than 9. I'm just going to go 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1. 8 and 1. Then I might even just use my lazy brain and just go the next number down. What's so 9, 8, oh, 7. So what will I have to put with number 7? Let's go that way, so it'll confuse my brain. It is 2. So 9 and 0, 9. 8 and 1, 9. 7 and 2, 9. 9, 8, 7. What do you reckon I'm going to put here? I guessed it. 6. So 0, 1, 2. What's got to go in number 6 to make 9? 3. Look, they're all the same shape. I'll prove it. 6, 7, 8, 9. You say it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. What comes next then in my pattern? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. What goes up the top? 0. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's a square. It's number 4. Now, look, it looks like number 9 when number 1 always sneezes out, doesn't it? Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. What then goes with 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one makes 9. Oh, look. What's the same? What's different? Same numbers, but just done it the other way around. When you're adding, doesn't matter which way around you add them, you still get the same answer. Right, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. What's going to come next? 3. I'm just going to cheat. Look, over here. 6 went with 3. Let's cheat. Oh, look, number 1's missing again. So, 6. I bet you know what comes next. What's going to come here to make 9? Yep, number 2. And what will we need to go with number 2? Let's just cheat. 7 went with number 2. So let's put the 7 over here. Oh, I could make it so it looks like number 9, couldn't I? Here we go. Just prove it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, this is good, isn't it? You can cheat. When you know one fact, you get a fact for free. You don't have to think of 2. You just swap it round. So there's one more here to go out of these Numicon pieces. So it's the number 1 with the number 8. Look, because we know that you need 1 with 8 to make the 9. If I started back with the 9, what do I put down first? Yeah, 0, nothing. And then I put the 9. Whoa, look at all those ways that we had to make 9. Let's say them. 9 and 0. 8 and 1. Shout it at me. 7 and 2. 6 and 3. 5 and 4. Oh look. 4 and 5. 3 and 6. 2 and 7. 1 and 8. 0. Let's turn it that way. 0 and 9. They all equal 9. There's lots of ways of making 9, not just using 2 numbers. You could use more. So what you could do is get 9 objects. I'm going to use 9 marshmallows. So let's make sure I've got 9 first of all. I've got my marshmallows. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, there's one left over. Shh. Right, so I've got 9. We know that 2 numbers together can make 9, but using the marshmallows, I can do different things. I could say a 1 and a 1 and a 1 and 6. They all equal 9. So 6 and 3 1s equal 9. I'm about to give up. I could say I have got them in 1s. How many 1s make 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 1s make 9. 9 1s. Woo! Okay, put back together. I could also do 2 and another 2 and another 2, and another 2. Oh look, and one left over. Look, 1 2, 2 2s, 3 2s, 4 2s, and a 1 make 9. Let's check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So, with your family, choose a different number other than 9 and see if you can make that number in loads of different ways. You can use a Numicon or get something you might be able to eat. Get something that you can move that are in ones by themselves so that you can find out lots and lots and lots of different ways of making the number you choose. Good luck. See you later.